Today we will discuss about the cumulative frequency curve or OU. We have today's topic cumulative frequency curve or OU. It is that curve which is constructed by plotting cumulative frequency data on a graph paper in the form of a smooth curve or a freehand curve. It is constructed in two ways. So when cumulative frequencies are plotted on a graph paper by freehand method or to form a smooth curve, so that curve is called cumulative frequency. So whenever we plot the cumulative frequencies on graph paper, we get a cumulative frequency curve. We have two methods to make cumulative frequency curve. One is more than ogive, or and the next is less than ogive. Less than ogive and more than ogive. These are two types of ogives or frequency curves. Frequency curves are of two types. What is less than ogive? First we will take the less than ogive or less than method. In this method, frequencies are added. In this method, the frequencies are added starting from the upper limit of the first class interval of the frequency distribution. In this method, the cumulative total tends to increase. So in the less than OU, the frequencies are added, continuously added from upper limit of the first class interval. So here classes are changed. We change the nature of the classes. For example, we have 0 to 5 class, we make it less than 5. We have class 5 to 10, we make it less than 10. We have class 10 to 15, we make it less than 15. So all values less than 5, all values less than 10, all values less than 15. Then frequencies are added, which becomes the cumulative frequency. This is the less than OU. So in this method, we take the upper limit of, we start from the first class interval, starting from the upper limit. So in this method, the frequencies are added starting from the upper limit of the first class interval, starting from the upper limit of the first class interval of the frequency distribution. So in this method, cumulative total tends to increase. For example, we have classes 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, or different classes. We will make classes like less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, and the frequencies are then continuously added to make less than OU. Then we have the next one, that is more than OU. What is more than OU? Then we will try to construct these OUs. More than OU. More than OU. What is more than OU? In this method, we take cumulative total of the frequency. In this method, we take cumulative total of the frequencies starting from lower limit of the first class So less than OU was, in the less than OU we are starting from the upper limit of the first class. Here we take the lower limit of the first class. In this method, we take the cumulative total of the frequencies starting from lower limit of the first class. For example, For example, we have classes like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, etc. And how we make them like less than this sorry, we make them as more than 0, more than 0, more than 0. So all values more than 0. इसी तरह दूसरे में हम लिखेंगे मोर देन 5, लोअर लिमिट हम उठाते हैं हियर. तीसरे में लिखेंगे मोर देन 10, एटसेट्रा. सो इसमें लेस देन ओयू में हम अपर लिमिट उठाते हैं, यहाँ लोअर लिमिट उठाते हैं. वहां लेस देन दैट अपर लिमिट लिखते हैं, यहाँ मोर देन लोअर लिमिट लिखते हैं. ऑल वैल्यूज मोर देन. देन cumulative total tends to decrease. Then cumulative total tends to decrease. Cumulative total tends to decrease. Following table shows marks of students in economics. Now this was the theoretical part. अब हम बनाएंगे OQ. The following table shows marks of students in economics. Question अब लिख लीजिए. Following table shows marks of students construct a less than and a more than OQ. We have marks. We have number of students, which is frequency. We have marks, for example, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and 30 to 35, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Then we have the frequency 4, 6, 10, 10, 25, 22, 18. Now we have the solution. Solution is less than OQ हमें बनाना है और more than OQ बनाना है. Less than OQ, less than OQ, more than OQ. We have here marks. किस तरह बनाएंगे और फिर cumulative frequency, यही क्वेश्चन है हमारे पास. मार्क्स है, यहां भी मार्क्स है और cumulative frequency. यहाँ मार्क्स एंड cumulative frequency. लेस देन OQ में हम क्या करते हैं, अपर लिमिट को हम उठाते हैं. Here we make class like less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25, less than 30, less than 35। ये बताता है हमें ऑल वैल्यूज लेस देन 5 कितने हैं। ऑल वैल्यूज सारे वैल्यूज जो लेस देन 5 है वो कितने हैं। लेस देन 5 तो 4 वैल्यूज है। वैल्यूज लेस देन 5 दे आर 4। अब लेस देन 10, लेस देन 10 में कितने आ गए, 1 4 और 6 10 हो गए। 4 प्लस 10, 4 प्लस 6 10, ये भी आएगा लेस देन 10 में। सो ऑल वैल्यूज लेस देन 10, ये भी और ये भी 4 प्लस 6। इसी तरह लेस देन 15 में ये तीनों आएंगे, 10 प्लस 10 और एक तो इसका टोटल 20 होगा। इसी तरह लेस देन 20, लेस देन 20 में आएगा 20 जो यहां तक सारा 6 प्लस 4 प्लस 6 प्लस 10 प्लस 10 वो 20 प्लस 10 हो गई 30। इसी तरह लेस देन 25, 25 में एक तो 30 है और 25 है, इस सारे का टोटल 55। इसी तरह लेस देन 30 में 55 प्लस 22 77। इसी तरह लेस देन 35 में सारा कुछ आएगा 75, 77 प्लस 18 95। इस तरह मोर देन ओगी में क्या हम करेंगे, मोर देन लोअर लिमिट यहां उठाते हैं, यहां लोअर लिमिट मोर देन 0, मोर देन 5, मोर देन 10, more than 15, more than 20, more than 25, more than 30, more than 30, more than 30, more than 30। अब बनाना है the total will tend to decrease। यहां क्या है प्रोसीजर, हियर कितने हैं 0 to 5 से टोटल कितने हैं, टोटल यहां कितने हैं, टोटल है 95, टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें 95 है। तो यहां वो सारे वैल्यूज जो 0 से ज्यादा हैं, 0 से ज्यादा सारे 95 है, 95। फिर मोर देन 5 कितने हैं, मोर देन 5 कितने हैं, मोर देन 5 तो ऑल वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट दिस, ये लेस देन 5 है, ये 4 लेस देन 5, 4 वैल्यू लेस देन 5 है। इट इज 95 माइनस 4, 95 माइनस 4 91 आएगा। इसी तरह मोर देन 10 कितने हैं, मोर देन 10 है 91 माइनस 6, 91 माइनस 6 वो कितना बन गया, पहला 95 है, फिर 91 है, 91 माइनस 6 85 है, 85। इसी तरह 85 माइनस 10, ये वाला 10 माइनस 10 हो गया 75। इसी तरह 75 माइनस 10 ये हो गया 65, 65, 65 माइनस 25 माइनस 25 40। इसी तरह 40 माइनस 22 ये हो गया 40 माइनस 22 हो गया 18। इसी तरह हमें मोर देन 35 लिखना है, यहां मोर देन 35, मोर देन 35 है 18 माइनस 18 दैट इज 0, it is 0। So this is all about how to construct, how to make less than OQ and more than OQ। यो सोचने की बात है कि मोर देन 0 कितने वैल्यूज हैं, मोर देन 0 तो सारे के सारे वैल्यूज हैं 95। अब मोर देन 5 सारे वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट दिस 4। अब मोर देन 10 है सारे वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट दिस 2, सारे वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट दिस 3, सारे वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट दिस 4, सारे वैल्यूज एक्सेप्ट, अकॉर्डिंगली हम बना सकते हैं। So how to construct now a less than OQ with the help of the graph, ग्राफ के जरिए किस तरह हम बना सकते हैं ये। किस तरह हम बनाएंगे? OX, OY. This is Marcus. Number of students. Zero, 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 30 and 35. ये कहाँ तक हमें 95 तक जाना है? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. नहीं हो गया, ठीक. Marcus, number of students 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Da, वो, त्रू, सज्जी, 50, 60, 70, 60, 90, 100. अब देखना है, पहले हम ये उठाएंगे लेस देन OQ. 5, 4, 5, 4 यहाँ आएगा. 10, 10, 10 and 10, 10 and 15 and 20, 15 and 20, 20 and 30, 20 and 30, 25, 25 and 55, 25 and 55, 25 and 55. इसी तरह क्या है ये? 25 and 55, 30 and 77, 30 and 77, 30 and 77, 35 and 95. ये बन गया लेस देन OQ. लेस देन OQ. लेस देन OQ. यहाँ आएगा लेस देन OQ. अब है मोर देन OQ. It is 5 and 9, sorry, 0 and 95. 0 and 95 यहाँ आएगा. 0 and 95. इसी तरह 5 and 91, 5 and 91, 5 and 91 यहाँ लगाएंगे. इसी तरह 10 and 85, 10 and 85, 10 and 85, 15 and 75, 15 and 75, 20 and 65, 20 and 65, 5 and 40. क्या है? 20 and 65, 25 and 40, 25 and 40, 40, 25 and 40. ये है 40. इसी तरह 25 and 40, this is 30 and 18, 30 and 18, 35 and 0, 35 and 0. अब इनको मिलाइए, this is more than OQ. OQ. So how to construct less than OQ and more than OQ? Less than OQ में upper limit or cumulative frequency, upper limit and cumulative 5, 4, 10, 10, 15, 20, 20, 30. So this is how to make the less than OQ. तो more than OQ में lower limit है 0, 95, 5 and 91, 10 and 85. This is how to make the less than OQ or more than OQ. Thank you very much. Thank you.